First off, we have the sun. It's very hot. Next, we have Mercury. It's the smallest planet, closest to the sun, and the most cratered. Now we have Venus. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. It's called Earth's sister and spins the opposite direction. Next, we have the Earth. It's called Venus's sister. It's 71% water, and we live there, so yeah. Baby. Next, we have Jupiter. It has rings, thick clouds like Kim Kardashian, and 79 moons. Next, we have Ganymede. Largest moon, 3 main layers, and subsurface ocean. Next, we have Callisto. There are more craters on Callisto than any other object in the solar system. It was thought to be dead and has a very thin atmosphere. Next, we have Io, made of sulfur and molten rock, very volcanic, and has large mountains. Ain't I want to mention that it looks disgusting. Next, we have Europa. The surface is frozen, it's the most reflective, and it's believed to have an ocean beneath the surface. He's definitely the coochie man. Next, we got Saturn. It has rings, it's the flattest planet, and the rings are very thin. Next, we have Titan. It has an ice surface, lakes of methane, and a thick atmosphere like Kim Kardashian. Next, we have Enceladus. It's made up of ice and rock. It has a magenta color and a salty water crust. Next, we have Uranus. It's sideways, it has rings, and in some places, it has the coldest temperatures. Next, we have Neptune. It has the strongest winds. It's one of the coldest planets, and it has rings. Next, we have Pluto. Pluto has 5 moons, sometimes has an atmosphere, and is 1/3 water. Next, we have the Oort cloud. It has a shell of icy objects and has never been observed before. Next, we have the Cassini dive. It spent 13 years studying Saturn and its rings. Next, we have the Mars Climate Orbiter. It studied Mars from orbit. Next, we have Ulysses. It studied the solar winds at Jupiter. Next, we have Mariner 10. It's the first mission to explore Mercury. I mean, look at it. It looks so mean, you know? Next, we have Voyager 2. It explored Neptune. I think Voyager 2 will sacrifice the flag for Pakistan, so that's pretty good, you know? The following content might be too sexy for the human eye to observe.
How are you doing today? I'm the coochie man. I just pulled up with 10 hoes in the Dooney van. Zeke and Lou sitting in the spot trying to move some grams. Nigga told me I can't fuck his bitch, I bet Louis can. Oh, you got some dog shit, you the dookie man? Niggas waiting on their unemployment, I just blew some bands.